And moving on, Salman Khan's driver, who has been missing since 2002, has finally spoken out about his absence and the controversy surrounding the poaching case, the judgment of which recently also emerged from the Rajasthan High Court. Yes, in India Today report.
Salman Khan is a free man, acquitted just 2 days back in the infamous Chinkara poaching case from nearly 2 decades ago. The superstar has one less legal trouble to worry about. But a crucial voice from the past has now spoken out and put a massive question mark over the court verdict that has just cleared Salman. Maruti Gypsy driver Harish Dulani, who was hired by the film crew Salman Khan was involved in for the desert shoot, has now been tracked down by India Today 18 years after he first made his explosive claims, saying he saw Salman Khan step out of the vehicle and fire at Chinkaras. First, he says he never went missing, as claimed by the prosecution lawyers.
कहाँ गायब हूँ मैं? जोधपुर में ही हूँ. कैसे पे जा रहा हूँ टमोटम.
Then he says he completely stands by his word from 18 years ago. A statement he made to the district magistrate claiming he saw with his own eyes Salman Khan killing Chinkaras.
मैंने 164 का बयान दिया है, उस पे मैं कायम हूँ. जो याद था वो बोला, वो उस पे कायम हूँ. 26/9/98 को गए थे, वहाँ गए बवाद, वहाँ शिकार किया उन्होंने. शिकार करके 2 शिकार किए, हिरण को मार के फिर जोधपुर लाए. गर्दन हलाल करके जोधपुर लाए.
Worse still, the driver also claims he has been receiving death threats.
तो धमकी मिली, मैं घबरा गया था बस.
क्या धमकी मिली?
पिताजी को मिली.
क्या?
बस
क्या मिली आप बताएं?
मिली उस समय, वो हमने कोर्ट को भी बता दी और कोई सुरक्षा हमें नहीं मिली.
With India Today tracking down the allegedly missing witness, apparently the only one who actually claims to have seen Salman's alleged crime being committed. Several questions now explode. Was Harish Dulani, the driver, silenced with pressure? Are attempts afoot to silence key witness? Who is issuing death threats to witness? Is trouble not over for Salman in poaching case? Will driver's word mean trouble for Salman? The superstar actor's acquittal has met with widespread shock and disbelief, with several wondering if the wheels of justice ever turn against the rich and powerful, while only the law and courts can decide guilt and innocence. Can the words of the sole witness in the case be ignored at this time? With Sharad Kumar in Jaipur, Bureau Report, India Today.